That's a race truck.
Yeah. Hopefully it'll run. I don't know. Hopefully it'll run for him. Oops.
Coming up next is Andy Watson from Johnstown. He's sponsored by Johnstown Car and Kim Green. And he is an English teacher at North Ridge High School. This is on the back FFA student, sponsored by an English teacher. We'll see what he can do at North Ridge English teacher.
Keep an eye on that video, old man.
Yeah.
He effectively calls this thing scary.
Oh, the short one with the hit with the, that's his spotter. Y'all see his trailer. Got an actor in the car, shoots him. Damn, that's some bit dry.
Yeah, there goes the tailgate. It's a happy tailgate.
Tailgate's hanging by the strap.
Still on there.
Not all the way. They're hanging there. That's paid advertising.
Down to one, but it's still on there.
It's still on there. One thread.
Watch out on the pit side. We don't want you wearing that tailgate.
Get back.
Andy Watson.
Better get it out of this road, huh? He got a.
He didn't go. Third runner, but I don't believe he's got a transmission. Give him a round of applause, Andy Watson from Johnstown.
Oh, there he goes.
Coming up next could be Joe Campbell, George Cross. Oh, he's running again. Okay, wait a minute. He's running again. He has his hand up and he's ready to go. Must be that English teacher help.
What is it, a bumper?
Okay, let's put your hands together for him.
I want to see that one.
Andy Watson.